Sabi mo pag game.
Good day everyone, we are the Group 8 and we are representing Higantes Festival which is held in the Angono, Rizal, Philippines, which is featuring giant papier-mâché figures that symbolize the town's artistic heritage and community spirit. So for the overview and for the introduction of Higantes Festival, the Higantes Festival is celebrated every 23rd of November in Angono, Rizal in the honor of Saint Clemente, the patron of the fishermen. This vibrant festival showcases towering figures known as gigantes, which are crafted from papier-mâché and can reach heights of over 12 feet. The festival is a blend of artistic expression, cultural heritage, and a community celebration attracting both locals and tourists alike. So for the next slide, please.
10.
May I call out
Higa-
Raylan
Gigantes
Davaro?
Festival. Gigantes Festival. Okay? At ito po yung mga this is our ito yung mga material na ginamit namin para sa pagbuo ng painting about sa Gigantes Festival. And this is our production. Sketch. And also, the final output. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you po. Maghihin na ako, late na ako. Bye-bye.
Thank you.